From the beginning, the Covenant Network had two purposes held in tension, both justice and full inclusion for LGBTQIA+ persons, and the unity of the church. Pam embodied those goals, fiercely committed to justice and unfailingly gracious with those on the other side of the aisle when it came to theological outlook and church politics. She never called attention to herself, always giving the credit to others for any accomplishments of the organization. And no matter whether ally or opponent, she was respected by everybody. Pam was a model Presbyterian, the best of human beings, and someone who made a huge difference in the lives of so many and of the church. She retired from the Covenant Network at about the time the goal of amending the Book of Order to permit LGBTQ ordination was accomplished in 2011. But she continued her involvement by volunteering at subsequent General Assemblies as we turned our focus to marriage equality. When she died way too young from a relapse of breast cancer in 2014, we who loved her knew that there had to be a memorial project, not a plaque on a piece of furniture, but something that would be a benefit to the whole Presbyterian Church and beyond the Presbyterian Church going forward. Capturing the history of the movement through PHS is the perfect memorial for her. None of the work of the Covenant Network would have been possible without Pam.